Hello everyone, welcome to this week's video announcements. I want to start by asking if you have seen the amazingly fun video that Erica made about our auction and inviting you to contribute to the auction. If you have not, it's really fun. I suggest you go check it out. I'm going to put the link in the comment so you can. So that's number one task. And number two task is then to think about what you might like to contribute to the auction. We are especially looking for experiences and services, dinners, whatever gifts and talents you can offer. We would love those donations most of all. So I will put a link to the form where you can make your donations. Our auction is starting at the end of this month on October 29th. So we are looking for donations, especially in the next week and a half. We would love to hear from you. So number one, go watch Erica's fun video. Number two, fill out our form with what you would like to donate for our auction. And if you have any questions about that, feel free to reach out to the stewardship team or to me or Erica. We'd be happy to help you out. Tonight, it is a Tuesday, October 10th, and tonight is the first of two energy healing circles led by Karen Campbell. It'll happen in the Campbell Chapel at 7 o'clock. And anyone is welcome to join. There will be some silent and guided meditation. There'll be some energy healing, and Karen would love to welcome you tonight. Tomorrow, we have a whole bunch of stuff going on. So, first of all, they're also led by Karen Campbell. Our online grief group is meeting tomorrow night. You can reach out to Karen for the link for that. She would be happy to welcome anyone who is experiencing any kind of grief to that group. It's on Zoom at 7 o'clock tomorrow, Wednesday, October 11th. Also tomorrow, two of our social justice working groups are meeting. The racial justice working group is meeting in person in the youth room from 6 to 7:30 p.m. And the welcoming congregation or renewal of welcoming working group is meeting on Zoom 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. Anyone is welcome to join either of those groups. I think from the titles you can probably guess what they focus on. Racial justice is focused on racial justice and all the different things that fall under our racial justice work in the congregation. And the welcoming congregations is focused on our work for LGBTQ plus rights. We would love to welcome any of you to either of those groups. They are not closed groups. They are open. I will put the Zoom link for the welcoming congregation meeting in the comments. That's the one 7:30 to 8:30 on October 11th. And then 6 to 7:30 in the youth room is the racial justice working group. So hope to see you at one or both of those. And if you are coming to church for the racial justice working group and you want to stick around for the welcoming congregation group, just let me know and I can set up a space where we can do that together. And then finally, the last thing happening tomorrow night, October 11th, it's a packed night, it's the first rehearsal of the Interfaith Choir for the year. So our Interfaith Choir is led by our own Jed Holland and Julie Oliver, and they sing at various events throughout the year. Their first event is the Crop Walk, which is coming up on October 22nd, which I'll talk more about in a moment. And they are rehearsing tomorrow night, October 11th, and Sunday night, October 15th, from 6 to 7 p.m. at Temple Beth Abraham. So anyone is welcome to join that group. They would love to have you. All you have to do is show up at one of the rehearsals, and you can then come sing at the Crop Walk. And the Crop Walk is coming up on the 22nd of October. It is one of the biggest events that our interfaith community does every year. We raise a ton of money to combat hunger, both locally and abroad. And we would love you to join our team. I always enjoy going on the crop walk and would love to walk with you. If you would like to join our team, I will put the link in the comments where you can do that. If you can't join us to walk, you are also welcome to donate towards our team goal. And hope to see some of you. Registration is noon on October 22nd, and we start walking at 1 p.m. This Sunday, October 15th, we're going to just do a fun UU history service. We're going to be talking about our heretical heritage, and I'm going to highlight some of the heresies that we have been a part of over the years and that are now a beloved part of our tradition. So this will be a celebratory service about UU heritage, and also talking about, all right, if this is our heritage, what do we do with it? How do we carry on our heretical heritage into the future? So that'll be the service. There will be workshops for kiddos during the service, and after the service, I'm going to be leading Intro to UU, Intro to Unitarian Universalism. That is designed for folks who are new to the congregation. I will do some more history, so it'll be like a history-packed morning, which will be really fun. And I will also talk a little bit about Unitarian Universalism today and our theology. And we'll talk a little bit about your spiritual journey. So that is from 11:30 to 12:30. It'll happen in the fellowship room or on Zoom, either one. And I would love to see you there if you want to hear more about Unitarian Universalism. And then at 2 to 4 p.m. on Sunday, it's another packed day, is the first of the end-of-life planning workshops. So this is an opportunity. It's a series of 3 workshops talking about end-of-life planning that I will be leading. The first one is thinking about death and dying. The second one is all the logistical stuff that you should prepare for end-of-life. And then the third one is specifically about burials, memorial services, and obituaries. So there are 3 2-hour workshops on Sunday afternoons. They're happening this Sunday, October 15th, October 29th, and November 12th. You are welcome to join for one or for all 3 of them. And I only have 3 people signed up right now, and I can't run it unless I get 10 people. So please do let me know if you are planning to be a part of the end-of-life planning. I will put the link in the comment to where you can sign up. And I would love to see you there on Sunday. I'm going to just name 2 more things. One is also happening this Sunday, October 15th. I'm so excited that we are honoring Elaine Thomas with a Micah Award. The Micah Awards are through an organization we are a part of, the Granite State Organizing Project. They give out Micah Awards each year to folks who are kind of unsung social justice heroes in our midst. And we are giving one this year to Elaine Thomas. I'm so excited about that. And there are a bunch of other great awardees as well. And the Micah dinner is happening up in Manchester starting at 5 p.m. this Sunday, and we actually have 2 tickets left at our table. They are $43.75, and if you are interested in one of those tickets, we have 2 of them left. Please reach out to me and let me know. And finally, on October 28th, we are doing a night out in Nashua. I'm so excited. We're going to see the play Something Rotten, which is being put on by the Actors Singers. It's supposed to be a really fun show. And there's some folks from our congregation in it, including our music director, Jed Holland. And I am told that he will be tap dancing, which sounds very fun. So if you want to join us for a night out in Nashua, October 28th, we're going to the 8 p.m. show, and there's a form that you can fill out to be part of our group ticket purchase. I will put the link in the comments for that. We are going to be purchasing group tickets on after October 15th, so you got to fill it out by this Sunday. All right, that was so much information. I will put a bunch of links for you in the comments. Thank you for listening to the end. If you have questions about any of it, you know where to find me. And in the meantime, I hope you have a good week.